Hi, my name is Sara Omar. I swim the 2 free and the 5 free here on the varsity swim team at Miss Porter's, and I will be swimming at the Division I level next year at Central Connecticut State University. So my freshman year when we won New England's, that was probably like the greatest moment of my life then, because that was my first experience of like being on the team and having such a great camaraderie with everyone. But definitely one of my bigger achievements would be last year when I was on the winning 2 free and 4 free relay team. And I've obviously had like a lot of personal best times in the 2 free and the 5 free, but having those relays up there and getting our name up on the board was something really admirable and achievable in my time here. I've had a lot of great memories, but one would probably have to be from this year when we beat one of our biggest rivals, Loomis Chaffee. Every year, because I've been here since my freshman year, we haven't won to them, and they've been our biggest rival. So winning this year and having the team like all together and really getting everyone excited and riled up for it, I think it's something that got us really excited to win, and that's what gave us the energy to win as well. And of course, our coaches, they've always been pushing us to the max, and it was just like a really great moment for everyone. I think that girls should choose Porter's for both because of the great balance that we have. I know coming in as a freshman, it's hard to navigate everything, but teachers are very understanding. Your coaches, they know what they're doing. They're experienced and they're professionals at both the sport that they're coaching and maybe in the classroom as well if they're a teacher. So I think having that balance is something that they're really well at. So for the same reason, I feel supported in my classroom because when I'm away at big meets and I'm missing a couple days of school, my teachers will be more than happy to help me with catching up. Having great resources like the dining hall and multiple places on campus like the gym help me be my best student athlete and fuel myself to be in the best in the pool and in the classroom. I think having my coach, Coach Katie, she's been a great help, and Coach Jay-Z and my club coaches as well. But just the whole community of Miss Porter's, like everyone is so supportive, and I've really learned a lot of great skills here. I've learned a lot of great leadership and just a lot of things that gave me the confidence to even want to swim in college because it wasn't something that I was totally sure on. But being in this really supportive environment made me realize that I can do it, and so being able to be pushed to do that has been something that's really great for me. Shout out to my family and my coaches and all of my friends, because really everyone in the community here, because everyone's so supportive and really great. So thank you.